Hey Prissy gang, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I am Prissy Ariel. This is my channel. For today's video, I'm so excited because Megalook Hair sent me my first ever 4x4 lace closure wig, and it's ginger. Like, how cute is that? So my first time wearing a ginger wig and my first time installing a 4x4 closure wig. So it's a video full of firsts, and I'm basically just winging it and seeing what works and what doesn't work for me. Before we jump into the video, let me do a little unboxing for you guys all. Obviously I'm wearing the hair already, but this box came with a bunch of goodies, and I really appreciate Megalook Hair for sending me all this stuff. So this stuff comes in this cute little pink bag, and then they sent some wig caps and some lashes, so cute, and a baby hairbrush. Also some really cute clips. So I think this clip was really cute. And this black clip. And lastly, they sent a headband for your edges. So I use every single one of these products except for the lashes in this video. So if you guys want to see how I installed this 4x4 lace 22-inch ginger wig, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. I basically just took a stocking cap and threw it on and put some foundation on. I use this powder foundation, and you guys want to use like your color obviously, so it just looks a little bit more natural. I wanted to do this install as quickly as possible, as easy as possible, just because it's my first time doing a 4x4 closure. This unit right here is a lace closure. So with a lace closure, basically it's a 4x4 lace closure. So what that means is this is all the lace we're working with. It should be 4 inches across, 4 inches back, and you don't have that lace back here to really like do certain hairstyles. So as you can see, when I just brush it back, you can see the wig cap. So you know, you're limited to the hairstyles you can do. Also, you can't really part it down here because you're gonna see all that. So you can only keep it parted in this area. And I mean, I typically wear my hair parted down the middle anyways, so I feel like, you know, this isn't gonna be too bad for me, but we will find out. So let's go ahead and put her on. I am going to put that same foundation that I put up here. I'm going to just put it on the lace as well. And again, that's just to like blend it in more with your skin tone. So I'm just going to, you know, yeah, I'm really excited to do this because I've been trying to do something new for my channel, but I want to kind of keep it hair and makeup related. And I think that, you know, installing the same wigs over and over again gets kind of repetitive. So I think that this is definitely something new for me, at least, because I've never installed a lace closure. And so if you guys never installed a lace closure, we are basically like learning this together. And you guys can watch like what I do and what I shouldn't have done to get a better handle on things, I guess. So this comes with this band. I don't think I've ever had a wig come with this band before. So I think that's pretty cool. I think it's different. It also comes with 4 clips. So it comes with 2 clips on the side, 1 clip at the bottom, and 1 clip in the middle. That's the only clip I use. But because this is all out there, I think I'm going to use the 2 clips on the side as well. We'll see. So I'm just going to put her on. So far I put 1 clip on in the back and that band, and I think, like I said earlier, I think I want to kind of clip the side onto here, but now that I think about it, that might push my wig cap back. So we're just gonna stick to the normal routine and just use that that 1 clip. So this is what she's looking like now on me. I think it's cute. I like it. Of course, I love the length. I think it's long. We might have to just hot comb this down so it's a little bit flatter. And I didn't do any plucking or any customization because I want to see how it comes out like straight out the box. The only thing I did was condition her and shampoo her. I think what I'm going to do is, after I make my part, I'm just going to pluck a little bit off and add some concealer. So I used the 2 clips that came with it, and I'm just putting my hair back so that way I can properly hairspray this down For the install, I wanted this to be as easy as possible, as quick as possible, just because it's the first time I'm doing this kind of wig. And I just want it to be fast. Like, I don't want to spend a long time on my hair right now. So I'm just going to use the hairspray for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hairspray it along the hairline. And then I'm going to just blow dry it and then cut the lace off. So keep on watching.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to.
Alright, so I think I've had this on long enough. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. So I'm going to just start cutting. And what I like to do is I like to use a razor blade or a brow razor first. And then I'll go in with some scissors if I need to. But I feel like this makes it just look more realistic. I don't want to cut off too much lace, because if you cut off too much lace, then you basically ruin the wig. I'm going to tell you guys this every time y'all see me cut it, because I want to like get it clear that there's no coming back after you cut the lace off and it's too much.
Wait up, trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no that way. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride.
Get you a hair wax stick. I'll include like a list of my hair install faves. That way you guys can see, you know, everything that I use in this video. I'll have in a link down below. That way it's easy for you guys to access. And if you want to purchase any of the stuff, you can. Try to make it as easy as possible for you guys, because it took me like years to actually try to install a wig, because I was super like intimidated by it and I didn't know like where to begin. And you can watch like 1,000 YouTube videos, but you will not get the hang of your wigs and how to install them until you do it a couple of times. Like, until you try it and actually like, you know, experience it, you will not really get it. Like, you will not get it by just watching, you know, a video on it. You have to like really do that shit. So I don't know if you guys can see, the part looks like a tad bit better. It looks a lot more defined than what it looked like before. And then I think that I'm going to just add a teensy bit of concealer. I don't really like to use concealer too much just because it gets a little bit messy. I'm just going to use a little bit, but I would suggest using like a powder maybe. So I'm just going to like really take just a little tiny dab, and then I'm going to like wipe it off on my hand and then throw it in here. You see like how much better that looks? I mean, I don't put a lot, trust me. I do not put a lot, but I just think it looks a little bit better, a little bit more natural like that. Depending on how thick you want your part to be, you can pluck some more. How I have it right now, let me see. So how I have it right now, you can kind of see what we don't want to see, which is right here. So I'm going to just try to play around with it and style it and see what I can do. Let's see, try make baby hairs. Alright, so I'm going to try to make some baby hairs on this and see if that helps any. I am not the baby hair master, guys. I wish I was, but I'm not. So we are about to find out what this is going to look like. See where it takes us. I can do baby hairs on my natural hair, no problem. Like, it just comes easy on my natural hair. But when I try to do wigs, I don't know. I just be having issues. So I don't know if I want to like swoop it. Oh, I kind of want to do that. Because look, if I do that like that, it's kind of hidden. Alright, we're going to try that. We're just going to try a little swoopy swoop. I'm going to take the baby hair brush that this came with. And this would be where I use like edge control or something, but I just ran out. So we're just going to try to use the hairspray, the Gots to Be. And we're going to see where this takes us. I think it's still kind of, the hair is still kind of long, but I don't want to cut it too short and then not be able to do anything with it. I'm so limited in like my neck movement. So like since last week, I guess I like turned my neck too fast or something. It didn't hurt at the time, but I just felt weird. And then since then, I've had migraines on just the left side where it hurts on my neck. So I've been pretty fucked up for like the whole week. And then yesterday, like my left hand went numb. Like my left arm went freaking numb. I was so scared. I thought I was gonna like have a brain tumor or something. I don't know. I was freaking horrified though. But I guess that's common in neck strains or something. I had to go to the urgent care because I was freaking out. Alright, so I'm just trying to do something with this hair. It's not really cooperating. Alright, do not lay your baby hairs with the Gots to Be spray, guys, because this is like so difficult for me right now. Use some water or some mousse if you have mousse. Because this is hard for me right now, and like the Gots to Be spray has it like stuck super fast. So definitely use some water or mousse or edge control to do your baby hairs. So we just gonna skip the swoop-de swoop and we just gonna lay it how it falls, because this is not working out. Right, this ain't working out. So we gonna have to skip the baby hairs, guys. We gonna skip that and just brush it. And that spray is just water. Like I have it just with water. So I'm just gonna like, you know, lay it like this. And I don't know. I think this is okay. I think this is okay, right? Because it kind of gives me that protection. Like I can kind of put my hair back like this and it still look fine, I think. So that's fine. We're going to do that. That's the move. We are just going to cut a little bit hair out. We ain't going to do no swoopy swoop. We are just going to create a layer to just hide that cap. We gonna give baby hairs a try another time. This ain't the one to try it on. Alright. I'm gonna use some water. Don't use too much water because you don't want the hairspray to come out of the lace. And then your lace just comes up and you have to do it all over again. Like just use a teensy tiny bit. And then I'll use my Gots to Be just to keep that right there. And that way it just covers that part, you know what I mean? Like you don't see it. Alright, so I'm going to just add some more curls because it kind of fell out when I was hot combing it. And then I'll come back on camera to show you guys the final look. This is it, guys. This is the final look. Off camera, I just added a couple of curls on there just to, like, you know, give it a little style. Overall, my takeaway from this wig is that it's very cute. I love the color. I love how fast it was to put on, how easy it was to put on. The only con for me is just the amount of lace that it actually has. but obviously if you are into closures, then you know that closures only have so much lace. If you don't mind having your hair, you know, a little bit in your face, not too much, you know, just a smidgen in your face, then I think this wig is perfect. Like, you know, I have no problems. The thickness, I love how thick it is from top to bottom, same amount of thickness. Color, again, I absolutely am in love with this color, and I definitely see myself wearing this wig, you know, more in the future. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig. Comment down below if you guys would rock it, if this was an easy tutorial to follow for you guys. Let me know all that good stuff down below, and until the next video, guys, I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching.